Next, we got the garage door opener, and let me show you the wiring. Plan on putting drywall in, then you want to do the pre-wire first. So check this out. Over on each side, you're going to need yourself a box. You can see right here, this box is tacked in to the 2x4. Got a nice faceplate. You're going to need some 2-wire like that. I like this stuff, it's a little thicker instead of that real thin stuff. I don't know what gauge or what the other type of wire is, but there's some wire out there, it's super thin and breaks real easy. This stuff here is a little thicker and works great. So you're gonna need a box mounted down there. And then on the other side, same thing. You're gonna mount a box right there. And they just tack in with a nail, 16-penny nail. Got your 2-wire faceplate with the hole in it. But basically that wire runs through this box, comes out of the top of this box. Now we're inside the wall here. And you can just, tack them with some staples just to kind of keep them in that area. And run that wire all the way up. And then you're gonna have to drill a hole through a couple 2x4s to stick that wiring up through there. So once you got that wire ran through there, you can see, you just start putting it over the truss.
Why are you running?
And take it all the way down. To the middle of the opening. You can see we're at the middle where that spring pad is. About where you want your box. It's going to be generally right next to your electrical box. But yeah, that safety sensor wire, just run it over the trusses and down through the box. And pull out at least, give us garage door guys at least 3 feet. I'll take 2 feet. So 2 to 3 feet, let it hang out. You can see how much is hanging out here.
Nice.
So yeah, 1 box there, run the wire all the way up, drill your hole, run the wire up through the hole, across the rafters, all the way back to the box there and pull it through. Over here for the wall button, you need this little box right here. You can kind of see what box we're using, but 16-penny nail holds it in there. Just like that. Got your 2-wire and it's going through the box. Leave yourself a good enough amount, maybe a foot worth of wire. Run that dog out of the top of that box and make sure this guy is mounted 5 feet or higher. That's the regulation for a wall button. Run that guy up. Gonna have to drill a hole through a couple 2x4s. Up and over the trusses. And again, you're gonna take it over, may have to staple it up and run it out the box there. So yeah, that's basically a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 of those boxes that you're gonna need. 4 face plates. You're gonna need, I don't know how much 2-wire comes in, like, I don't know, maybe a couple 100 feet, 150 feet, something like that. That'd be plenty. And that's how you get the pre-wire up and rolling for your new construction before you lay that drywall on. So I hope this video helped you out. Please hit that like button, subscribe. Peace out, y'all.